basically, this is the job right here, right? What do you think? Easy, right? That's what most people think, right? I want to show you guys something, right? Every time you're at a project, you must make sure that people know what you're doing and who you are, right? So how you do that? You put your yard sign, you understand? You can buy A signs too, you know? So basically, now, with that being said, I'm also gonna do this one for her, and that one I don't know, but this one I am. That one I don't dare to because. So you see. Good morning, guys. Back at this. Okay, want to let you know, guys, I'm a little frustrated. First of all, I'm a little frustrated because the landscaping supply, they came without even calling me. This is the first time they ever do that. They usually call me, and they said it was gonna be here from 10 o'clock. And they lay this stuff. Yeah, they put it on the right spot, but I was supposed to put a tarp there. So now I gotta take maybe half hour to clean the whole grass after I finish, because these people just came and just threw the stuff down just like that without calling me. Now, for those that's watching this long, this is the last of it. I truly appreciate you guys being here for the whole video. This will be the last of this project, the last part of this part of the project. So basically, I didn't get a chance to show you. This is how I lay my weave fabric. This was laid yesterday, and you see how it's still on, and it was a tornado. So this is how I lay my weave fabric. This is how you're supposed to lay your weave fabric. Real uniform. Okay? And whenever you do patches, just make sure the patches match. You know? And always extend 6 inches between the patches, just because you don't want weeds growing through the patches, right? Well guys, this is it. Once again, you guys want to see the premium services, back at it with another one. Like I said, guys, these is all just premium services. You trying to get something like this, holla at us. As you see there, new rock beds, the river rocks. That's the new edge and metal. You seen how I built it. It's screws that will last years and years. It's well galvanized. It will not rust. It will not rust. See, we also did the sides right here. And boom, premium. You remember the palm tree, how it was looking, the sago palm? Well, look at it now, my friends. So I'm also gonna do this one for her. They didn't want to touch that one right there. That one right there, they didn't want to get touched. But if I touch it, boy. That one I don't dare to, because those pavers was already there. All we did was power wash them. We put more rocks here. New edging. Sago palm tree. Oh, and I forgot, I gotta put these lights. That's one more thing. I gotta put some lights. So before the video is done, I'm gonna show you guys how it's gonna look with some lights. Right now I got the electric power washed it, because I'm gonna wash the rocks a little bit. Just a tiny bit. So I cut the grass back here, but again, this is something that she would like to get done. There's another project right here. I cut the grass back here, but there's a different project. Guys, don't hesitate to call us. We do premium services, but we also do regular services, right? You just gotta catch us at the right time, because right now we super booked on these services. Tomorrow I'm doing pavers, a walkway with pavers and gravel around it. Real nice, real nice, real nice. You guys stay tuned. You guys gonna see the process. All right. Well, right now you about to see right now how it's gonna look with